Bitcoin's no longer just for traders. Corporations are stockpiling it, with over 110 billion on balance sheets in 2025. From Meta Planet's bold move to Bitcoin's backed bonds. Is this the future of finance or a risky bet? Stay tuned to find out. In 2025, Bitcoin's transforming corporate finance. Over 151 public companies now hold 1 million Bitcoin, worth 110 billion, outpacing annual Bitcoin issuance. MicroStrategy's pioneered this trend, holding 592,100 Bitcoins, valued at 62 billion. But others are catching up fast. Why? Bitcoin's fixed 21 million supply makes it a hedge against inflation. Unlike fiat currencies losing value at 7% annually, companies like Meta Planet and GameStop are diversifying balance sheets, signaling innovation and attracting investors. Let's dive into who's joining the Bitcoin Treasury Club. Japan's Meta Planet, once a hotel management firm, now holds 13,350 Bitcoin, worth 1.31 billion as of June 2025, funded by zero interest bonds. Its stock soared 322% year to date, outpacing Japan's Nikkei index. GameStop, the meme stock giant, added 513 million in Bitcoin. That's 4,710 Bitcoins to its treasury, boosting its stock. Semler Scientific, a medical device maker, holds 3,808 Bitcoins, tripling its stack to 390 million, with a 709 BTC per share increase. Take H100 Group in Sweden. This fintech firm bought 4.39 Bitcoin for 475,000 in May 25, aligning with Sweden's digital innovation ethos. Its stock jumped 1.37 post-announcement, showing investors enthusiasm for Bitcoin exposure. How are companies funding these Bitcoin buys? Enter Bitcoin-backed corporation bonds. Meta Planet issues 2 billion yen in zero-interest bonds to acquire 4,206 Bitcoins, offering investors exposure to Bitcoin upside without direct crypto ownership. These bonds act like convertible debt, blending TradeFi and crypto. MicroStrategy's playbook includes 7 billion in convertible bonds, fueling its 592,100 BTC stack. But there's a catch. Bitcoin's 1.58 on a 60-day index can amplify risks. If Bitcoin dips below 90,000, 50% of corporate treasuries could face unrealized losses. Bitcoin on balance sheet is a double-edged sword. Rewards: MicroStrategy's stock soared 2,919% since 2020. Outperforming Nvidia thanks to its 42.9 billion US dollars BTC holdings. Meta Planet's 348.8 BTC yield in 2025 shows massive upside. But risks loom. Strategy reported 5.91 billion in unrealized losses in Q1 2025 due to price swings. To market accounting means every Bitcoin price drop hits earnings directly, potentially spooking investors. Plus, custody risks, like Bybit's 1.5 billion Ethereum hack in 2025, highlights the need for cold storage and multi-signature wallets. Social media is calling Bitcoin's strategy response to inflation, citing Fidelity's case for it as a hedge against 6 major risks. Celebrities Cardone Capital's 1,000 Bitcoins buy predicted more real estate firms will follow, but skeptics like James Procycle Nature makes it a risky reserve asset. Adoption is soaring, 245,000 bitcoins acquired by public firms in Q1 2025, doubling ETF inflows. Analysts predict corporate treasuries could hold 330 billion in Bitcoin by 2029. Bitcoin's reshaping corporate treasuries, with Metaplanet and others following. MicroStrategy's lead. But with volatility risks and massive rewards, is your company next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Bullish on Bitcoin treasuries or too risky? Like, subscribe and join to track the crypto treasury revolution in 2025. Till then, see you in the next video.